Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to go to the demo trade section in Bitget. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. Now initially what you guys have to do is simply hover over this button called as Futures. Hover over it, and guys, this is it. From here, simply click on Futures Overview. Click on it right now. Once you do that, a new page will open up, and right here on the navbar, you can see a new button like this that says Demo Trading. Simply hover over it once again, and as such, as you guys can see, here are the demo trading with separate accounts. Simply select whatever you wish. For instance, I'm gonna select this one right here. And guys, that is it. That's how we go to the demo trading on Bitget. It's quite easy. From here, as you can see, this is my available balance. From here, you can buy, sell and do anything. Well guys, that is it. That's the gist of it. That's how we go to demo trading. If you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.